Diagnostic 1, switch legs. We should be pulling 120 volts. 122 on first switch leg. 122.4 other switch leg. That's right. So water heater should be sending power to this first element. That should also be pulling 120 per each switch leg. .09, no voltage. Let's see. Trip the breaker. I heard it reset. Now let's see. 120. Now it's heating up. So we know that thermostat for sure is picking up some sort of fault. And what I think that fault is a broken element. So that is pulling the proper voltage. We're gonna turn this off now. The photo doesn't work really good, but maybe I can get the back of there with the video. So right there. There it is. That's like a little mountain in the back right there. And I was right. Faulty elements cause this short.